In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mirror glass on your Explorer Interceptor located on the exterior mirrors. Now, standing beside the vehicle, just kind of bump your mirror and swing it towards you. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to work. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a few strips of tape on this here, because sometimes when you pop these off, they can crack on you, or maybe you're dealing with a broken piece of glass currently, and that's why you're replacing it. Maybe you're replacing it because the heater element failed on it, and you have a complete piece here. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a small pry bar. You can use a trim tool as well, but what you're going to do is come up around the edge here, and you're going to gently pry outward. You want to pop out the center piece of the mirror itself. You reach around here and assist that, popping that off. Now, if you do have the heated mirror, you're going to have little connectors on the back here. On the back side here, you can have two wires going to the heater element. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, and you're going to gently grab these here and wiggle those off. Now, on your factory mirror, you have these tabs right here. So you want to pay attention to those. Go ahead and take your mirror glass, and you're going to take the two supplied springs here. And you just want to pop them in to the tabs. Line them up and push those in. Do the same on this one here. Now our mirror is ready to install. Now, before installing this here, you want to pay attention to these little tabs around the perimeter and how they attach onto the motor assembly itself. Okay, so when you pop this on, you got to line it up. And we're going to apply some even pressure in the center here to snap it onto the base. Don't forget to install the wires here. You're simply going to line them up with the tabs and slide them down and on. Line that up. There it is. It's secured. Now that we have that snapped on, go ahead and close up that mirror. You want to hop in, power up the vehicle, adjust your mirror, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.